About BSIP 3, yun nga, most probably I sent BSIP 3 program to the BSIP development team. Baka nagdalawang isip ako, then decided again to implement BSIP 3. Siguro yung mga versions ko before, mga HAS program ko meron ng compressed folders na, so into an archive. O baka yan yung una sa BSIP 3 archive. Nag-decide ako na magpadala sa BSIP 3 team sa BSIP team, development team ng my own version of BSIP 3. Nasabi ko nga sa kanila, yan yung dapat na ideas before in 1970s and early 80s na BSIP 3. Yung gamit nga ng isang a library for using data structure for compressing, processing directories, whole directories with subfolders, subdirectories, all folders with subfolders, and how to compress them with a compression function. And very compact din yung processing ko ng directories and subdirectories. It comes with the data structure. It's inherent. The functions are inherent to the, as said, to the data structure used. And then, sa BSIP 3 implementation ko, most probably nga, nagpadala nga ako pa rin, nag-decide pa rin ako sa na-implement ang BSIP 3 and then send to BSIP 3, to BSIP development team. Sa BSIP 3 program ko na yun, if I recall correctly, meron siyang hidden compression option sa command line. Sa command line program, may hidden compression option siya na to very fast high ratios compression function or algorithm used. But they had to find it in the BSIP, into my BSIP 3.exe compression program using a hex file editor, hex editor. I'm not sure if I encrypted, it was encrypted. Ang hidden compression function na yun sa BSIP 3.exe program for them to decrypt or hindi naman siguro. Mas madali lang makita yata. Or may konting mahirapan sila. Pero I'm sure in one of my data compression program sent that time, merong program sa exe compression program na meron siyang hidden option na compression option na yun ang pinaka-the best pa. Pinaka-the best pa na compression program na nasend ko sa team na yan, sa BSIP development team. Pero nasend ko rin sa iba previously. Yan sa huli nga, yung mga i-email ko pa rin ang eBay company. So nag-i-email ako, I was debating to myself that time in my mind na mag-online ako sa eBay gas. Pero na-online ko pa nga rin May previous audio messages. In-online ko siya for 30 minutes and then it continued to the hour. So 1 hour and then maybe umabot ko siya ng the next day. And then, iba kung sa eBay pa to attract their attention, to alert their system administrators, to alert their system administrators or admins. Sometimes, mag-upload ako ng compressive file nga containing my best data compression programs that time, then I would delete it. Deleted siya. Then I would upload again and delete again. How many times? To my mind, that time, sabi ko, malidetect nila yan, ma-alert yung mga sysadmins, web admins, email teams ng eBay. Or if not, hindi naman kagad na-delete yan sa email servers nila. Binasa ko that time sa ano nila, mga policies yata nila na deleted files sa eBay will stay in their email servers for 30 days unless you explicitly you're given notice anyway to or option to delete it completely permanently. So given that policy na nabasa ko, hindi ako una sa mga una kong na-delete yung files. Hindi ko siya permanently deleted. So for 30 days alam ko nandyan yan. 30 days ba? 3 months. 30 days yata. So alam ko within 30 days nandyan pa yun. Yung mga una kong compressive files na uploaded and deleted sa eBay. Pero yung mga iba sa huli, yata, siguro delete ko permanently. Pero meron time na talagang dinamihan ko ng upload and then delete, upload and delete to alert the systems administrators of eBay. So yun yung mga compression programs ko noon. LZHash, Z-Standard, baka meron akong ZHash.exe. Halos pare-pareho lang siya ng compression ratio. Pero given na zip compression technology na time, it's better. Meron akong Z-Standard.exe na sent sa Facebook. Maybe 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 si standard.exe, which makes me think now na baka yung mga unang si standard.exe na Facebook galing sa akin. But I also emailed NSA or BI or CIA of some of those si standard.exe programs ko sent to Facebook. And then I stated in my emails to FBI or NSA, National Security Agency, or CIA, na these advanced compression programs are for Facebook. Of course, I know na matatawag natin mga dyan, officials ng NSA, or FBI or CIA, papaalam nila yun sa Facebook. Dadala personally or email naman, online naman, message nila. But they didn't know how many other groups I emailed. Yan rin sa iba. So yung mga data compression programs ko, mga advanced siya. 75% compression ratio sa Lexi standard, and also LZHash, hash-based, and then meron ako mga 85% compression ratio on average sa performance ng mga compression algorithms ko, fully implemented, completely implemented, completely working, perfectly working. And then also 94 to 95% compression ratios. Let's say 94% compression ratios. And then yung sabi nga namin before, theoretically, 1970s, early 80s again, 2%, 98% compression ratio or 2% entropy for any digital file is attainable. It's actually attained in 2006 perhaps.